I call on my entire being. I call on all the unconscious soul parts. And I call on the layer to rise within me that is ready to be released today. We're going on a journey to the spirit world with the sacred drum, the sacred rhythm, moving our bodies. And we call on the spirit of the earth to be with us in our movement, inviting the spirit of the earth and the energy of the earth to rise up within our body and helping us to release this layer of compressed energy and emotion that we've been carrying around with us for too long, and that we're ready to release into the earth today. And we ask the spirit of the earth to help us release this layer and to transmute it back into neutral universal energy, back into source energy. And we ask the spirit of the sun to be with us, giving us structure and safety in this sacred space of our journey.